So the reason why was because of same over trading. And even I had a rule that if I have 3 losses in a row, and these are all basic rules, but they really helped me. Because if I had 3 losses in a row, just according to my statistics, that I've been always keeping statistics of every single trade and not just time of entry, time of exit bullshit. It was 15 different deep parameters and about trends and about market conditions, and some stuff was not quantifiable, some stuff was quantifiable. So there are oftentimes, and I looked at the numbers, and what I've noticed, for example, throughout like 1,000 trades, which again, to make any kind of conclusion, you got to have a shit ton of trades, especially if you're a day trader. So, and I've noticed that oftentimes, if I go against a certain trend in a certain time frame, I'd have more probability of losing. So I would just remove that from my trading. I've noticed that on Fridays, I overall lose money. And it was just psychology, because Friday is almost Saturday. And since you've been working for fucking 12 hours a day, and maybe sometimes even to lose money, Friday is hard, for me at least. So, and I've seen so many things in my trading statistics that helped me to adjust, that normally people don't even notice in their trading. And especially also I've noticed that if I had 3 losses in a row in a trading day, I would stop trading. Because on average, if I continued to trade without this rule, I'd on average have 7 losses in a row, and normally it would be on average a losing day. So I would just stop at 3. Why 3? Because my numbers told me 3. So that's this is also very basic stuff, but just giving you the concept of what I was looking at. And because of these, all the smallest intricacies in my strategy and proper approach to proper TA and proper fundamentals and proper liquidity and this and level 2 market data, especially for day trading. So that's the tape, that's also the order book, that's the real live data, not just trading blind off of a level. You just got to look at the heart of the market, which is not always helpful, because there is things like icebergs and all that is just unidentifiable or fake. Or sometimes you just don't see a sudden order come in, something huge just of a trader who is just dumping something and they don't give a shit about anything. So, and then all of your entire plan just fucking crumbles. And then the market panics and it creates a saw, and you're an idiot trading it. So you need to be, that's why there is so many rules that go into play into proper strategy. But with this, slowly, it was crazy ups and downs still. Still, there would be times in the market when you do everything correct and it just fucks you. Endlessly, like at every single turn, every single trade, it just is. It seems like you click the button and it really just does the same second the opposite. And sometimes you're almost laughing hysterically, saying that I'm gonna just trade the opposite. And then you start making stupid shit because you actually tried to trade the opposite. So it's just retarded, and it's not the smartest thing. So and this whole entire journey was quite painful, but the market was quite on my side back in those years. And I was more long biased and sometimes more short biased, depending on market conditions. And actually, I did catch those overall tendencies correctly. And I was able to adjust my strategy, smallest parameters and tweaks to my strategy, because of my findings in my ongoing constant statistics and just evaluation of my performance. So, and even then, I barely made it. And then, like, first million came in like 3 years. So, yeah.